pavers, you know, the small pavers, just pay straight out. You know, they don't have to walk on the side with small pavers. We can leave it. We can leave this one.
Mario's going to contact Sal, and we're going to try to do the job so that we're going to down the site. Otherwise, they have small graders like they did, you know, the seawall and stuff like that. Bike path, and the small ones they go straight through. And they don't have to go on the side. See, we have to go on the side to race down the side. Do a good job. Yeah. Okay, so just don't just go at it without our help. No, we won't be doing this anymore. Okay, James. Okay, thanks, guys.
Okay, what's happening? I'm going?
We're working or no?
Oh yeah. Keep going, man. Oh, as long as don't leave anything fall into the plants. We gotta keep it out. Hold on now. Hold on. Don't touch that rock. He doesn't want anything touched here. Hello, Joe. You look at the damage.
No, it's done. Oh no, it's still going.
It's still going. I can't believe it. Is it live or is it Memorex?
That's right.
Hello in there. Hey, you can hear your voice echo in the bucket. Yeah. That's gonna be pretty cool.
How big is your card? Oh my god.
This one's 16 gig, but it only holds four. I think it's a counterfeit card.
Counterfeit card.
They got those, eh? They sell them really cheap. You think you're getting a good deal, and you find out you get ripped off.
Yeah, well, where'd you buy it?
Eh?
Where'd you buy it?
On eBay.
Oh, okay.
They sent it from China.
Yeah.
From Hong Kong, so. You take your chances, right?
Pushing the bank back.